my village, the ancestors are not gone. They are heavy. They walk on their heads because the sky is their ground now.
Mr. Kwasi, we have satellites that can see a dime on the sidewalk from space. We have thermal imaging. If there were ghosts, they'd be the stars of YouTube. Show us a pixel or show us the door.
Our technology isn't captured by glass lenses. It is a frequency of the heart. If you want to see, you must be willing to carry the weight of what you find. You are most welcome, Professor. You are welcome to our community. As you can see, even from our architecture, everyone is everyone's keeper here. I wasn't sure you would honor my invitation.
I wasn't going to miss the opportunity to see your ghost technology.
Anyway, let me show you around.
Mr. Kwasu, if I may ask, where is your lab?
Over there. She is our lab.
You mean she is your lad? I don't understand.
In your world, you walk into a store and buy a technological device. But here, our technology is earned through respect to elderly. Let's go, Professor. I have a technology to show you. In the eyes of the ordinary man, this tool helps you prepare food. But in the right hands, it can open the door to a world your regular camera lens cannot see. I need you to go down and wash your face with the water. Go on. What do you see? Now that we have given you the lens to see beyond the current world, you can never unsee them again.
Please, no. That will be too much for me. I can handle this.
I can't help you.
No, please.
You see, Professor, this technology is only in the hands of the African. Your grandfathers never understood this. Hence, they called it Fantish.
No, please.